Good Friday morning! What are we making today? I found a sandwich in a 1930 cookbook called the Edgewater Sandwich Book. God damn it! What's it called? My computer. The Edgewater Sandwich Book. I had it right. Today we're making a breakfast sandwich called the Capital Sandwich. It's an open sandwich. It's like Eggs Benedict, but not. Because it says to make this on 2 toasted rounds, which I'm thinking are English muffins, from the Edgewater Sandwich Book. Why are we doing this? Okay, we're going to play with this. What we're supposed to do is mix raw cream with well-seasoned spinach puree. I'm going to try and make a spinach hollandaise because we can't get raw cream anyway. The reason I'm making this is because and you're supposed to make poached eggs. 1 egg is for the hollandaise. Poached eggs, we're going to make sunny side up. We're going to strain them if they're a little watery and use sunny side. It's just easier. What really intrigued me was you're going to mix anchovies with butter. You're going to spread anchovy butter on those toasted rounds, top it with an egg, and spinach and cream. Our spinach and cream is going to be the hollandaise we're going to play with. Hopefully that'll work. This is 1 cup of packed spinach, and we're going to put it in a blender with the milk, and then make our Make It Better hollandaise, where we add an extra tablespoon of butter and an egg yolk. The first thing we have to do is mix anchovies with butter. I've never made anchovy butter. I guess, it's probably a thing. I haven't Googled it. So we have to do that. We'll make the sauce. We'll make the eggs. We'll butter the English muffins with anchovy butter. I'm really curious to see what eggs and anchovy butter tastes like. Let's for now set our milk and our eggs, our spinach. Let's mix some anchovies with butter. All right. Oh, it's always messy, right? It's always a little messy. And I just want to get a good anchovy flavor. I have no idea. I haven't had anchovies in a while. Oh, come on. Wait. Now my finger's going to smell like anchovies. I think we start with 3. We want it to be not overbearing, but anchovy-y. Let's start with 3 and see how that tastes. We're going to mince these. We'll mush the butter, but we want to mince them. Anchovy butter and eggs? Come on! Why am I using a steak knife? It's looking nice and minced. I think we can add it to the butter. Let's add it in. And mush. It all depends on the flavor. And this looks good. Yeah, I think 3 might be enough. Butter's turning a little beige. One thing I didn't say. This is sweet, no salt butter because the anchovies are salty. I was afraid to put salty anchovies in salted butter. I already toasted the English muffins ahead of time, just for convenience. So the eggs are gonna melt this into the toast. Oh, what are you doing? Should we taste it? Let's give it a taste. It might need more anchovy. Wow. Oh, I'm really glad I used unsalted butter. Anchovies are very salty. And I think, I don't think it needs another anchovy. I might try it one more time. If you're not getting the anchovy flavor, what's the point, right? It's salty. It's anchovy-y. That's good. All right, let's I want to eat it. I want to eat it. Let's set this aside. We're straining the eggs of any loose whites, in case there are any. Makes them a little less watery. One. Because we're not making poached. Look, I am getting loose whites. That's good. Not perfect, but good. All right. Oh, at least it didn't break. Did it break? Blend the milk and the spinach together. We're gonna have green milk. Milk. That's a cup of milk. This is salted butter. Gonna melt it. The original recipe calls for 4. We're adding 1 tablespoon. All right, melt that. 1 cup packed of spinach. All right. We're gonna go blend. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work. You're kidding me, right? Oh. That was close. Let's go fast. Oh. High. There you go. One more time. Okay, and it should get greener as we cook it. Let's put it back in the spinach bowl. We're not ready to oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good. We need a yolk for the hollandaise. Too much work for breakfast. That's a big yolk. Please don't. Okay. Oh, hey, we don't want the whites. Okay, we need the whisk. Let's put the milk and spinach in. We don't want to boil it, but we want to get it hot. And we got it hot enough to cook the yolk and the packet. So let's just do it. That's our sauce, our hollandaise. All right. Can you see the green? It looks very green from here. Let's just add the yolk. This is our spinach hollandaise. I don't know if anyone's made this using Knorr before. Spinach hollandaise. Some of the powder may not be dissolved yet, but it will. Oh, and we may have to, oh, lemon! Lemon, lemon, where's my lemon? We'll add the lemon at the end. It's starting to bubble. Oh, it's starting to thicken. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little. When it gets thick, we'll take it off the heat. Let's add our lemon. Here's green hollandaise. And we may have to add salt to it. Let's see if it needs salt. I don't think so. Boy, that's yummy. I wouldn't know there's spinach in there by taste. Okay. Let's take it off the heat. Cover. Very exciting, man. All right, let's look. It turned all nice and brown. All right, we're not gonna skimp on the anchovy butter, and the eggs will melt this in. Oh my gosh, Oh my gosh. Anchovy butter eggs. Oh, that's a lot too, but that'll give us flavor. Okay, I want to eat this. I ate it. Okay, let's add the butter. I'm going to lower the heat. Okay, egg. One egg. Two egg. Oh, that's a good one. Gosh, that's what I wanted. This isn't too bad. I could flip an edge. We'll leave it alone. I tend to flip them too soon. I'm gonna flip this one. Ready? Perfect! Haha! I think I can flip. Let's flip this one too. Oh my gosh, we're doing good! I'm just gonna bring them over. I think this is done. Okay, we got one. And... oh! Wow! We did it! Spinach Hollandaise. I can't believe this is gonna work. I can't believe it! Wow! I love it when a plan comes together. Should we add just a touch more here? Anchovy butter, spinach hollandaise. Where's the yolk? Oh, we got the yolk. We got the yolk in there. Let's do this. Oh my. Anchovy butter, spinach hollandaise. Mmm. It took a while for me to taste the anchovy, but I did. And I like it. Very interesting. All right. Mmm. There goes the fridge. I think it's delicious. I am really happy with the spinach hollandaise. I really am. This is a fun experiment. Do you think the people that wrote the Edgewater cookbook in 1930 would know that someone in 2026 was messing with it? Wow. Okay. Little yolk. Thanks for joining me this Friday morning. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Duh!